Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Take It Easy Geek. In this video, we are going to cover everything about Java. Yes guys, we mean it. We are going to cover all the questions related to Java. So why to delay? Let's get started. History of Java is very interesting guys. Java was originally designed for developing an interactive television, but it was way too advanced technology for the cable TV industry at that point of time. Hence, they changed its path. In the year of 1991, a company named Sun Microsystem, with the help of scientists Patrick Norton, Mike Sheridan, and James Gosling, who are now very famous and are called as creators of Java, started working on building a language with one agenda. And that agenda is write once and run anywhere. It basically means that if a person is writing a code, irrespective of underlying operating system they are using, like Linux system or Windows, they should be able to execute the program. So with this concept, this team started working on, and in the year of 1995, they launched the initial version of Java. Java was first named as Oak. Later on, it was renamed to Java. Java is so developed and emerged that we have literally got 22 versions of it, and currently it is owned by the company named Oracle. So this is the history of Java, guys. Let us understand when is Java used. Consider a real-time scenario where we have a person A who knows 3 languages, and we have person B who knows only one among them. And we have a situation where person A wants to talk to person B. Then the simplest thing what he'll do is he'll talk to B in that one specific language which B understands. This is very simple, right? But the complication came in when a programmer want to talk to a computer. But the only language computer understands is binary, that is zeros and ones. If a programmer want to explain a simple task to computer, then he need to write a long page of ones and zeros, which is not very easy in day-to-day life. In order to make this easy, he needed a translator. Basically, a means using which he can write in a very simple language, but my translator should convert this into binary zeros and ones, which my computer can understand and perform the task. So this is exactly what Java does. So it converts the programming language into machine understandable language, and that is how machine will be able to read it and execute it. This is when Java is used across the systems. You know guys, why Java is so popular? There are 2 reasons behind it. One is it is free. It is an open source, so anyone can pick the code and start using. And the second reason is it is so simple that it is used everywhere. So these are small categories which I tried to make to explain where is it is used currently and what are those things. So let's go one by one. First one is desktop applications. Let's say you want to run a video. So the famous tool which every one of us are using is VLC Media Player. So this is one of the application which is coded in Java language. And mobile applications, WhatsApp, Instagram, FB, you can name anything. Most of the famous applications which are running in mobile today are using Java language in the backend. The next one is standalone application. Standalone is a technical term which is used in Java language. Basically, standalone means any application which is running in one computer. For example, calculator. So your mobile is also having a calculator, your desktop is also having a calculator. They don't have any common code or something. In your desktop, there is a Java code which is previously installed, which will run the calculator in your desktop. Similarly, in your mobile, basically your code and the machine in which it is running, that is one single place. So these are called as standalone applications, and the example is calculator. Web applications, like let's say we have one application which is accessed by multiple users at any given point of time. For example, Gmail, LinkedIn. Gmail, you are sending an email to one of your friend, and let's say at that same point of time your friend is sending an email back to you. So even though you are a common means wherein you are sending also, you are the receiver in the receiver part also, but one account is accessed at one particular point of time by multiple people. So this kind of applications are called as web applications, and as I said, Gmail is the famous example. Similarly, there are so many enterprise applications like Hadoop, games like Minecraft, many thousands and thousands of games and applications are currently using Java because of the flexibility it is given. Now we are going to talk about what exactly does this language contain, what are all the different modules, how is it categorized and all. So let's get into the details. Java is primarily modularized into 4 editions, that is JSE, JEE, JME and JFX. I believe most of you have heard about some of these categorizations. So let's talk about this in detail. To talk about the first module, JSE, JSE stands for Java Standard Edition. This is used to build standalone applications, for example, calculator, wherein the code is maintained and also running in the same machine. Mostly it runs on the client side and also maintained on the client machines. Next comes Java EE, that is Java Enterprise Edition. This is built on top of JSE code. So this is used in the places where code is in different machine and execution or the usage of the application is happening from a different machine. That is basically building web applications. And the third one is JME, that is Java Micro Edition or Mobile Edition. This is used to code the applications which are running on the mobile. And the last one is Java FX, which is also called as Java Flex. This is used to develop rich internet applications using lightweight interface APIs. So primarily, this is how the language is categorized. Based on what application you are trying to build, you should use the respective edition. Till now, we have talked about who invented Java, what is this language, and when is it used. Now, we are going to understand why Java is used everywhere. Why is every company choosing Java language for all the major projects and applications? Let's see the features of Java or the reasons why this language is used across. I tried to list down some of the primary features of this language. Let me go through few of them. Simple. Java code is very easy and close to English language. If you know English, you can easily understand some lines of program as well without even knowing the coding syntax of Java. This simplicity and easily understandable feature is the main reason why this is highly utilized. Platform independent. Java runs on its own environment. It does not take any help of its underlying operating system. This helps us in 2 ways. One is we don't need to maintain any operating system specific code as it does not rely on underlying hardware or operating system. It is not exposed to other programs in the machine. This less exposure leads to more secure code. Multi-threading. It handles execution of many requests doing various operations at the same time. We don't even need to write any complex code to achieve this. We just have to use the right libraries which Java has already given us. By doing that, we will be able to achieve multi-threading, concurrency and many other features. Java is also very intelligent code. It does have a capability of handling its own failures if you use the right APIs. By default, Java is so intelligent that it can do self-cleaning, optimal memory utilization like this. There is an endless list of features which Java is handling. In short, this language can help you build robust systems very easily. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and are able to clearly understand the basic information about Java. So if you like my video, please do subscribe and share further. Thank you.